Okay, so many people have been asking me how do they save pictures for Instagram such that at the end of the day, Instagram does not reduce the quality of the pictures they are sending. That's number one. Number two, some of you have also been posting pictures on Instagram, and then you discover that when you post the picture, Instagram is going to cut off your leg or cut off some parts of the picture. You've been seeing it, right? So this video is going to give you the solution to that, and from now on, you won't have problems with that. So I'm going to show you how to save picture or post picture or process your picture for Instagram and then or even WhatsApp, and then at the end of the day it does not reduce the quality of what you are sending to your client. Right, so let's jump right into it. So for this picture, this was a recent wedding that I shot. um, so if I'm preparing this picture for Instagram now, number one thing you want to do, you want to reduce the resolution. So what I'm going to do for this one, I'm going to go to crop first of all. You have to crop the picture because normally these pictures are always very long. Do you understand? Because that is your phone camera. I mean, I said phone camera. What am I saying? That is the camera format, right? In width and height. So what do? Go to crop. You now choose 4 by 5 or 8 by 10 from here. It will automatically resize that picture. Now, anytime you do this and you crop this picture like this, so you can adjust whether you want to move it up a little or bring it down. I always tell you that you should always leave some space at the top, likewise at the sides, because you need what we call edge room. It's always good for you to have some little bit of space at that top part. So this is okay for me. I could have left it like this, but I don't want this. This wouldn't make sense. So I would easily do what? Just leave a little bit of space at that top. So the picture looks centralized and balanced. So once you're done, you can press enter here or double click the video. Can you see? So if I post this picture to Instagram now, it will not crop my picture. Are you getting me? That is the number one fix to the problem. You choose crop, then you do what? Change it. Just come to this top part. Change it to what? 4 by 5. 4 by 5 or 8 by 10 is beside it as well. Are you getting me? That's all you need to do. So anywhere you post this, do not crop it. Now, second thing is we want to learn how to upload to Instagram or upload to WhatsApp status or send to somebody via WhatsApp as a normal image, not document. And then the picture still retains that quality. What you need to do is very simple. What you need to understand is that these pictures that we are trying to send to one another on WhatsApp or on Instagram, trying to post, Instagram needs to conserve, they need to preserve the space that they have. Imagine you are sending a file, your file is 5 MB to Instagram. You are sending yours is 5 MB also to Instagram. Do you know how much of hard disk, technically, or server that Instagram will need to buy? So that is why when you post a picture of 5 MB that you've downloaded on your phone and you want to post it to Instagram, Instagram will do what? To compress that picture for you. Are you getting it? So Instagram does it for all whatever, anything you're posting. That's why your videos as well. You post videos, Instagram will reduce it. Are you getting it? Because they need to save space. You know how many people are uploading per second on Instagram? It can be like 100 million people. What am I saying? It might be like 1 billion people, I don't know, per second on Instagram. So now imagine 1 billion times 5 MB. Come on, eh? You don't want to imagine. You don't want to imagine. Right, so that's why it keeps compressing any picture you send. Likewise, WhatsApp as well. So I've shown you how it will not crop how Instagram is not going to crop your picture. Second thing that you want to do is that you want to also reduce the size of this picture so that Instagram does not compress it further. So it's very easy. What you just need to do, go to image. That's after you're done with your editing, right? Go to image, you now choose image size. It is in this image size that you're going to make that size that way. Whether you upload to Instagram, you upload to WhatsApp, it will not be affected. We're going to test it here. So width, you change it to 1080. by 1350. It's already there. What did I say? 1080 pixels by what? 1350. If yours is not in pixels, make sure you change this first of all. It might be in centimeters. Change to pixels first of all. Right, and that's all. Once you're done, click OK. Then now, can you see it has made it smaller safe? It has made it very small. So what do? You can now save file, save as. When you are saving, you now put Instagram beside it so that you remember that format was for what? Instagram. So for this one now, all I need to do is what? Put Instagram beside it, IG, so that I know that this is IG format that I've exported. I can make the size very big. For instance, 1 MB, 1.4 MB. Are you getting it? That is a secret for you to put pictures to Instagram, and Instagram will not compress your pictures. So this picture now, we're going to send it to. You want to say something?
Well, it's going to look normal.
Yes, it will now look very sharp. Because Instagram cannot compress it anymore. Let me now show you. So if I send, okay, I can share to my phone now. Then try to upload to Instagram. Like go to, what did I export to? What is it? So I would now airdrop it to myself. I share to airdrop. So when you check, I just sent it to you. You guys just check, then you see it. It's the same thing. That's in size. Send it. For Facebook. Facebook will not compress as well. So fight is like this. Facebook is owned by Instagram and WhatsApp now. Is it different?
No, I know.
If it's
kind of.
Is it different? I don't use Facebook much. What? No, tell me. What do you expect?
I think it's different because I used to connect my Instagram with my Facebook. If I may post on Instagram sometimes, and then to look sharp. Then I come to Facebook to look dull.
It's likely. Try this one first. If it's now the same, let me know. So bye for now. See you in the next video.